Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make this wonderful air-fried lemon pepper wings that you can have for your events. So first here, I have my freshly grated lemon zest that came from the lemon I used, and also some fresh lemon juice from the same lemon. I have salt, I have Creole seasoning, I have onion powder, garlic powder, parsley flakes, lemon pepper, and also black pepper, okay? You will also be needing some salted butter. This is optional. You can use unsalted. And you will also need chicken. Now, I'm not using a lot because this is just for 2 people, but for parties, I would say use a lot more. So, to begin with, let's just go ahead and add our salt. And we will also be adding in our black pepper because this is what's gonna let the chicken have a little bit of seasoning in the beginning. And we'll also add our Creole seasoning. Now, I would say don't put way too much because Creole seasoning does go a long way, but it's delicious. And I'll also be adding in my onion powder. And this is a very important ingredient, as well as the garlic powder. All right. And now we will be adding in our lemon pepper seasoning. I don't know what brand this is. Just get any brand that you see. Now we will be adding in our parsley flakes. Now you can add this in now and after or just now. It depends on you. But we will also be adding in some oil, and this is also another optional part. And the oil is what's going to make the chicken not stick to the air fryer. So, yeah, just go ahead and mix it together and make sure that all the seasonings are well incorporated, just like I am doing right now. So in the air fryer, I did spray again. I don't know why, but yes, I did. We will be placing in our chicken now. And don't be afraid because this chicken is not going to be doing any social distancing. They are going to be close together so they can all fit into that air fryer. Now, if you're doing this for parties, I would say please do your chicken in batches, okay? Depending on how big or how small your air fryer is. Just do them in batches. But anyways, I'm just going to put my chicken into the air fryer. And we will set it at a temperature of 390 Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. If this thing would work. Okay, it's working. So, okay. For the first 10 minutes, you're going to cook your chicken on one side. And then another 10 minutes is going to be cooking on the other. So, after the 10 minutes has passed, as I said again, you see it's cooked on one side. So now it is the time to flip them over and let them cook on the other side for the rest of those 10 minutes. Okay? So altogether, it has been 20 minutes of cooking on both sides. And this is what your chicken should look like. It should not be too brown. It should be golden brown. So now to the sauce. So in a pan, I'll be adding in my butter, and I am just going to let this melt down a bit. And after it's melted, we're going to use our seasonings that we used before, which is the lemon pepper. And I love this seasoning so much. It just makes everything taste nice. And we are just going to cook this on low. And so now, as it's cooked down a little bit, we will add in our lemon juice, which is also very important to making your lemon pepper sauce. And I am being gentle, okay? So now, we will also add in the lemon zest, which is basically the lemon skin that was grated. We're just going to add that in. Please don't forget this ingredient because it really does make a difference in your lemon pepper sauce. So after it's cooked for about 3 minutes on low, this is the perfect time to go ahead and mix it with your chicken. And as you can see, I have my chicken in a bowl. And I'm just adding in that sauce, and look at that. Just look at it. It looks so good. And now you're going to put the lid on the bowl, mix it right up, mix. And after it is well mixed, okay, I keep mixing, okay. After it's well mixed, this is what your chicken should look like, and now it's ready to plate, all right? So this is my delicious air fried party chicken that I presented to you guys. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends. Have a wonderful day. Love you. Good.